Good morning, little boy. Oh, good. Look at you. Okay, let's go outside. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing today? Today is Tuesday. My parents are going to be back today from Bangladesh. They've been gone for a whole month. They're coming back today. That means I got a lot of house cleaning to do. Yeah, we definitely have not kept this place up since they've been gone. So the goal right now today, all in the morning, is to clean. I do have a phone interview around, I think, 1:30. This one's a good company. I'm actually really excited about this one. I hope this one turns out really, really good. Good benefits, good all that. But let's see if your boy can knock it out of the park. But yeah, for the most part today, guys, cleaning up the house. I'm going to get on some of my edits as well, too. I need to watch some more Stargate since I got it all fixed up and ready to go. But for the most part, cleaning, getting ready for the interview, Stargate edits, and just seeing how my family's doing. I haven't seen my mom and dad in like over a month now, so that's going to be really fun and interesting. So, and you guys will get to meet them. So hope you guys are excited about that. But let's get this thing going. The day started. So the biggest thing to clean right now is my room. Getting this cleaned first, and then after that, I'm heading on to the rest of the house. But the room needs to get cleaned ASAP. Get a husky, they say. This is what happens when you have a husky. They're great animals, but this right here, this is what annoys me about them. Great animals, though. So my parents went to Bangladesh for a couple of reasons. I mean, they haven't visited in like the last 5 years. I know that was one of the big ones. I think one of our relatives is very sick. Like on my dad's side, there's like, sad to say, like not that many people left that are like his age, so that's one reason. And the third, well, they're trying to get me married. It's like the thing that, I mean, I get it, you know, I am hitting an age where, you know, that is something that they are thinking, you know. So I've always been completely against the idea of arranged marriages. It's just, you know, I'm a very old school way, you know, I believe in like, you know, you meeting someone, relationship, and then it, you know, it grows into a marriage. But in like, you know, falling in love and all that craziness. So, but the thing about it is, fam, like, you know, I've done that, and like, I've gotten burnt pretty badly, you know, like, you know, it's just, when you've been burnt to that extent, it's, you have a fear of falling back into love again, or even putting yourself out there, because you just don't want to deal with it again, you know what I mean? It's like, all right, that's enough for now. So that's been my whole, like, battle lately. But then again, it's like, I am getting older, and, you know, my whole thing, you know, I've always wanted to be a dad, I've always wanted to have a family, be a family man, so it's like, what do I do now? You know, at the end of the day, I should be very grateful that, like, you know, I come from a culture that, like, you know, we have this sort of system where we do, you know, have arranged marriages, because, you know, not everyone wants to be alone when they grow old, and in my culture, it's a thing, you know, they have these arranged marriages where they pair everybody up with each other, but still, I'm just, like, very not fond of the idea. Like, my parents have thrown me some females, and I'm just like, oh God, like, what are you guys thinking? I'm like, what the fuck? I mean, I'm shallow, fam. Like, you know, like, I'll be real. Like, you know, I have a certain look I go for when it comes to the females I date, and it's, you know, who you have beside you as your life partner is going to equal to the success you have in your life, you know? Now it is time for me to pick up some dog poop. That's something to do, I feel like, is when it's cold, because it's like everything's like frozen. So here we go. Look at this week's load. It's all you, kid. It's all you. It's all you. You know that, right? His little innocent little face. Long story cut short. So, you know, obviously my parents have been on the hunt, but it's not like I have been on the hunt either. You know, I've been on all the dating apps, all that craziness, you know, but I have been talking to someone. I met them through this dating app called Muzzmatch. Yeah, she's cool. She's she's pretty dope. But I'll be honest though, man, I've had a couple reservations. The fact that, like, you know, she's like not from here and she's over there in Bangladesh. Like, we matched, you know, like long distance, obviously. You know, she lives over there, she lives over here. And there's a bit of an age difference, which I'm still trying to wrap my head around. But either way, we've connected. We've been talking with each other for like a good long while now. And my parents went and met her. They like her a lot. Their parents like me, apparently, even though they haven't seen me yet. So I don't know where I'm gonna go with this, but we shall see. See, everything about this girl is fantastic. I'll be honest. She's great. You know, we've been talking for a while. Like, even though she's from Bangladesh and like she was raised there, she understands most of American culture. Like, we communicate. I don't talk to her in Bengali. Like, we communicate. Like, I speak in English. She does her best back to like communicate with me. And it's like, how to say this? Like, my family likes her. You know, my mom and dad love her. I like her. So it's like, what is the big block? You know, I don't know. It's just, I guess for me, it's the trust. I think more of, and the age, like I said, and the fact that she's Bangladesh. It's like these three things, and if I can get past it, I feel like we would be in a good hot spot with each other. I don't know. We shall see. Right now, my parents we're gonna discuss about this, and who knows? We might have a vlog to Bangladesh. We shall see how that whole situation runs. So yeah, reaction room is set. Taking a shower before this interview, and I'm gonna get ready for it. But yeah, it's one of those things I'm just like thinking about a lot because, you know, life and all that craziness. But we will see how all this goes, and you guys will be a part of the trip. So welcome aboard. All right, fam, we is showered, ready for this interview. Wish me luck. Let's see how this one turns out. It's gonna be a phone interview, so I mean, a little bit easier since it's not in the face, but excited about this one. This one is it's a lot more different than something that I would go for, but I applied. They responded back, offered me an interview, so I will tell them what I can offer, and let's see if we fit. If we don't, we don't. That's all that counts at the end of the day. You know, you got to see where you fit. So let's see how this one pans out. Okay, wow, that was that. See, I do great with phone meetings. I don't know, phone meetings, I freaking knock out of the park, I feel like. That meeting back there, motherfucker, I killed that shit. Like, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna get the job, but like, I just know from my own, like, how do I say this, confidence level, the way I went into it, I think I did amazing. Definitely a job that, I mean, it's more of the stuff that I've, you know, like social media stuff that I'm like, that I know how to do and whatnot, but the job itself is for something that I'm like, and I'm really interested to see what's about. It's like fashion and stuff. You know what I mean? The lady, I even told her, I was like, hey, I don't have a fashion background. It was like, we don't need a fashion guy. We need a guy that can read the goddamn data. And I was like, all right, cool. So, yeah, man, we'll see what happens. Let's see, you know, and this job in Chicago. So that'd be fucking dope if that worked out. But hey, wish me luck, my fam. Wish me luck. But right now I'm getting into the Stargate reaction. If I can get an episode in, get that edited, then I'm going to head on over to the dog park so I can meet up with Alex and Chris. We want to talk about possibly doing more reaction together with each other, so we'll see how that whole situation goes. But right now, let's just jump right into it because I'm fucking pumped.
You need them.
Oh!
I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this so much. Love it, dude.
Just got done with the Stargate edit, fucking record timings, and parents are not going to be here tonight. Apparently, there's a snowstorm in their direction of where they're at in Dallas, so now they're stuck there for a night, so I feel terrible about that shit. So, like, basically, the plans I had with them for the rest of the day have been canceled. So I am going to, I mean, I was going to go there regardless, but I'm going to hop to it, take Vince to the dog park, because he has been there in like a day. I know I spoil him a lot. But plus, also, I think I said earlier, I'm going to talk to Alex and his brother about doing more reactions with me and whatnot. Just kind of see what's in their head and see where we can go with it, you know? But yeah, let's get this show started. Let's get out there and let's not slack off. get the cat house.
You scared it away. Get it. The bunny.
Don't you want to play fetch? What are you doing? This kid. For drinks. For drizzies. For dice throwing. For dice throwing and drizzies. Ooh. Alright, y'all. Just got home. I don't know if you guys can see me in this fucking darkness or whatever, but just got in the car, headed back home. It was a good time hanging out with the homies, but ready to get back. Is there any fucking light? Let me get some light. There is some chicken that I've had marinating for like the last day or so. I'm trying to perfect my fried chicken method or whatnot. So I'm gonna go for another try here in a little bit. But yeah, headed on home. We had a grand time. He had a okay time. There was not many dogs out there, man. But how did you like it today? Look at him, man. He ain't too happy. Look at that. He ain't that happy. Right here, listen to me. Everything I gotta say. Good boy. Go home. Good boy. My smart little boy listens. Go. Good boy. So right now I'm in the process of I guess making sure the batter gets on my chicken dredge and making sure that like this is filled up with all the flour. So I'm about to get on that right now. Laying it here. So everything has been completely engulfed in my breading. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. That's what I usually do. So it is going in the fridge, and I usually leave it in there for about a good like 15 minutes, and then yeah, we're gonna go fry. Get your dishes done for him, like for real. Like let's just not like let the mess get worse. So as it's waiting, I'm gonna get my mess done and go about it. You feel me? All right, fam. Here we go. First try. Let's hope this all works out. So it's definitely not looking good, man. Look at this shit. This shit look terrible. And again, safety first when it comes to your pets. I know you're staying. I know. But I got you a surprise, kid. You're good. That, my friends, looks terrible. Like, let's leave things to the light. Like that looks absolutely terrible. All right, let's go for a taste test. It's burnt. It's way too hot. It's way too hot. Oh yeah. Alright. It's way too hot. Cool. I'm gonna turn down a little bit. See how the others go. Try that out. Slowly. It's a little bit lower. We'll see what happens. Okay? I'm hoping for the best. All right, this is my second one. It's looking a little bit better. All right, fam, here we go. Pretty good. Actually, that's pretty damn good. I should have had a better camera because, like, this is really good. Yeah, son. Holy shit. That shit is fire. Fire. Wow. All right. I think I got it. Oh, yeah. I think I got it, fam. I think I got it. Yeah, buddy. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. So these are the ones that I think I got right. They look great. I cooked them to temperature. I'm gonna try them out here. I'm gonna let them cool off for a second, and I'm gonna try them out here in a second. But Vincent, you've been such a good boy. Look at all that. Look at all that. Look at all that. All the chicken pieces. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. You can have all that today, okay? You can have that, Bubby. Good boy. Chicken tenders were great, fam, and I ended the day with Philip DeFranco. See you next time.